Okay folks, I'm standing on the Obion River bridge that crosses Interstate I-155 from Dyersburg to Caruthersville, and if you can notice, the current is flowing towards the bridge. That's the Mississippi River causing the Obion River to flow backwards. It's spilled out across all the farmland between the Mississippi River and the hills that Interstate 155 go up to. This is the Obion River running backwards. We are now at record crest for the Mississippi River. The highest crest of any flood ever from 1927, 1937, 1945.